friend of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. If you want to use it in full screen view, click on this square at the top left corner. To turn it into a bubble, tap on Home button, and then access it by tapping on the bubble, or click on this line, also at the top left corner. If you want to close your app, you can click on this X at the top right one. You can also tap on the same blue line you used to move your window and access all of those options from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!